Shalom, this is Josh from F.F.R. And today we're going to go over the expungement process and the pardon process for the state of Maryland. So if you are a felon or you had your gun rights taken in the state of Maryland, you might want to listen up. We're going to start with the expungement process first, and I'm going to tell you what forms you're going to need, what you need to do with them, and the costs to file them. All right? So expungement. The forms you need, you're going to need two. There's a petition form and there's a general waiver and release form. So the petition form is a DC/CR 72 form. That's for the petition. And for the general waiver and release, it's a DC/CR 78 form. So that's the general waiver and release. You download those forms from the Maryland Judiciary website. So that's where you can get those from. All right. So who do you submit them to? You submit them to the county clerk in the court you were convicted of. So if it was a traffic conviction, you need to file it to the clerk in the traffic department. If it was a criminal conviction, you need to file it with the clerk in the criminal department, just for example. And the fee is only $30, so it doesn't cost that much to file that. So I want to also go over what can be expunged. And these things change all the time, so please do your homework. But I just want to give you what they have so you can, have a general direction to research in. So what can be expunged? So a DUI or DWI related conviction can be expunged, but you have to wait a minimum of 15 years to apply for the expungement. Certain domestic related, I don't know which ones, you got to do your homework, but certain domestic related, you can apply after waiting 15 years. Burglary and theft convictions, you can apply after 10 years. Assault and battery convictions, you can apply after 7 years. And misdemeanor convictions, you can apply after 5 years. All right. So that's your expungement. So DUI related, 15 years. Domestic, 15 years. Burglary and theft, 10 years. Assault and battery convictions, 7 years. And misdemeanors, 5 years. Okay. So, things that are no process, not guilty, or already acquitted, they automatically fall off after 3 years or expunged after 3 in the state of Maryland, just to let you know that. So now we're going to move on to the pardon process, the application process. But before you can apply, you have to wait 5 years until after completing your sentence and everything that involves it, like fines, community service. That's just examples, etc. So, and you cannot have any pending charges. So if you have a situation, deal with that situation before you apply for this pardon. And last but not least, after you apply for the pardon, truthfully and complete, you send it or submit it to the Maryland Parole Commission. So I'm going to go over it again. For the pardon, you can't apply until 5 years after completing your sentence. You cannot have any pending charges, and the application, after you complete it, must be sent to the Maryland Parole Commission. All right, so that's your information for your expungement and your pardon application for the state of Maryland. So if you're a felon or you have had your gun rights taken in the state of Maryland, this is the information for you. If you're in the state of Virginia and you're a felon or you want to get your rights restored, click the link in the bio. I got a book for you. It's DIY, and I can show you how to do it with no lawyer, step by step. It doesn't matter where you are in your restoration journey. It doesn't matter if you're just getting off probation or you already have your voting rights back. I can help you, complete that journey of restoring your rights. So I hope this blessed you. I hope this was helpful. Share, like, if you know somebody that could use this, tag them in the post, man. Also, if you in your state you don't know anything, you want some information, hey, put your state down in the comments, and I'll do my best to do a video for that. But yeah, this is Josh from F.F.R, man. Y'all stay blessed, stay strapped, man.